My brother, on the other hand, no, he's also very involved with physical fitness. Ano bang pinagagawa mo sa California?
Well, kung may time ako after work or weekends or day off, pa-tennis lang. Yun lang, kasi yun ang isa sa mga sports ng mga kaibigan. Pero dito sa drinks na ito, makakatulong ba ito sa stamina o?
Yeah, definitely. No, ito ang produkto na pinagmamalaki dito sa Pilipinas. No, we just launched this about 3 years ago. Mangosteen-based capsule, no, yung ating MX3 capsule, regular plain capsule. It only contains pure mangosteen. Meron itong improved preparation, yung MX3 Plus. No? The Plus actually includes not only mangosteen but L-carnitine and the coenzyme Q10. No? The L-carnitine, and the coenzyme Q10 is good for the heart. So for those people with blood pressure and heart problems, the MX3 Plus, yun talaga ang dapat. But for others, no, just for maintenance, you can just take the MX3 plain capsule. Of course, meron silang MX3T, no? The MX3T contains pandan at the same time. So meron tonic effect ang pandan. And of course, pinasubo ko sa inyong, kay Manong Rudy, yung MX3 coffee. Anong napapansin nyo sa lasa ng coffee?
Talagang real coffee. I've been drinking coffee every morning. Take 2 cups a day. And talagang you can taste the coffee flavor and the aroma.
Kumusta yung sugar? Kasi yung mga preparation na parang 3-in-1, that also includes the sugar and the cream. Kumusta yung combination nila?
Yung sugar, just exactly, no? It's not sweet, pero tama lang. Kapag this is good for those who have diabetes. And okay lang
ang lasa. Sa mga inventory po, no, ang in-introduce namin yung parang sandwich spread, itong mangosteen jam. Still, merong sugar because it's a jam. Pero what is good about this mangosteen jam is the mangosteen itself. No? Gustong-gusto ng mga bata. No? So alam ko may mga apo kayo. No? We will probably give you for free, no? Para masubukan nila yung mangosteen jam. Mahilig ba sa jam yung mga apo nyo?
Oo.
So we will ask the owner and the dealer of MX3 to give us some more samples. No? I know in your law office, marami kayong mga kliyente. I'm sure coffee is a regular part of the... So rest assured, no, magbibigay ko kami ng few weeks supply of MX3. And sa Tiho ba, pwede kami mag-share sa inyo?
Definitely.
So we will send you some of these products, and as a maintenance, you are also very active, no? You think which one would you prefer, the MX3 plain or the MX3 capsule? With plus, I mean MX3 plus.
Since this is only coffee.
Coffee. So, but this one can be used as an energy booster.
Definitely, this will help me in my workout.
Plus the L-carnitine and the coenzyme Q10.
That's good
for the heart. Kaya sa brother ko naman, ano bang hindi mo na-mention kanina, you are very much also involved in weekend, parang leg activity, yung speed, ano ba tawag yan? Jet skiing.
And speed bowling. And winter time, like snowboarding, snow skiing sometimes, but that's annoyance. Anyway, what I can say about this drink?
Very good, huh?
We arrived yesterday, So you're still suffering from,
Oh yeah, just
exhaustion.
exhaustion and
Exhaustion.
unfortunately, you were also featured yesterday. You developed a back problem on your way to the Philippines.
That is true. Because too much lifting of baggages just to share things from America to our brothers and sisters here in the Philippines.
Yeah, so kanina nung pinasubukan ko siya ng play MX3 capsule dahil alam naman natin ang mangosteen contains xanthone, which is a very good anti-inflammatory element, no, na nakaka-control. And then the fact that he developed sleep disc, you will observe, you get kind of a relief, no? Naka-first dose ka kanina ng capsule, and plus the tea that you're taking now, mararamdaman mo, medyo marirelieve ka doon sa low back pain mo. Ngayon, for your information guys, you will be seen not only at our Beautiful Heart Show sa Davao City, but you will also be seen worldwide through the YouTube, no?